Well, T-Mobile has officially entered the rideshare space and is now paying Uber and Lyft drivers to join their program. Please thumbs up the video if you like making money, baby. If you like making money, please drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I want to thank our sponsor for today's video, Current. Current is an app that pays Uber and Lyft drivers up to 2 days faster. There's no fees on overdraft when you go negative $200. I use Current right here, my friends. Check out Current. Current is awesome. Sign up, put in some money, and you start earning 4% interest. So I put in $100 just to test it out. You get cash back on gas. That's my little profile there. Hee hee, I'm smiling. Anyways, it's free to sign up, no fees at all. It's awesome. Current is gonna change your life. Maybe even make you rich. I mean, help you get rich. Right? It's not a get rich quick scheme, but you start making money and everything adds up. That's why I always, advertise these companies that pay drivers more money, because why not make $100 here, $20 there, $50 here? All of a sudden you're like, dang, I'm making $1,000 extra just by using all these services that Dylan offers. All right, my friends, let's get started with this article. T-Mobile, my friends. T-Mobile has acquired rideshare advertising network Octopus Interactive. This comes from T-Mobile.com. You guys know I love Play Octopus, and T-Mobile has acquired them. I just had a call with the team today, actually, over at Octopus, and I have my tablet hooked on right here. As you can see it, it's on the back. Passengers hop in my car, play the games, and basically I had a call with the team, and we went over the new updates. They're in 41 markets now and going nationwide soon because of T-Mobile. So if you've been or if you've tried to sign up in the past and they didn't have your area, use my link, sign up, and now you can type in your area and you'll be on the wait list as soon as they launch nationwide. But listen to this, T-Mobile announced the acquisition of Octopus Interactive, the largest national network of interactive video screens inside Uber and Lyft vehicles, and they're improving now. They even have like daytime stuff, so I know like the games are kind of like, play trivia games, blah, 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 but like they have features now for daytime. So for your like early morning people, they're not like playing, video games. There's like, they're really improving, and they have, obviously millions of dollars now. This move marks the next step for Marketing Solutions, T-Mobile's fastest growing advertising technology business. Yeah, oh yeah, and by the way, if you sign up with my link, you start making money. T-Mobile is paying you to put one of these tablets in your car. They send you one for free, use my link, and you start earning income from this is legit, my friends. This does not get more legit than T-Mobile. T-Mobile is a multi-billion-dollar company. Octopus allows us to highlight our library of rich media content and drive awareness among a younger and tech-savvy demographic, aka you. We've seen engagement rates over 3.5%, and QR codes convert extremely well given the captive rideshare environment. Yeah, guys, they understand rideshare is the future for advertising, and I mean, soon it's gonna be driverless cars. You're gonna get in, play these little video games, blah, blah, blah. You're gonna get ads thrown in your face, whatever. But yeah, guys, check out the link below. Nearly 80% of riders are between the age of 18 and 49. Comment what you guys think what your average ages are. Riders have an average household income of more than $130,000. Holy smokes, that's crazy. They need to be tipping more. If they're making $830,000, they better be tipping like $20 a ride if they're earning that much freaking money, bro. I'm sorry, but holy smokes, my friends. All right, guys, let me know your thoughts on this one. You guys are awesome. T-Mobile just bought out Play Octopus. Use the link below to sign up for Octopus. And also, big thank you to our sponsor, Current. Current is an app that helps drivers get paid up to 2 days faster. You can literally link up your accounts in here, set up direct deposit, and type in Uber. They have Lyft on here. Go to Lyft, type in Lyft driver. They got DoorDash, Uber Eats. They got all the apps on here. You log in here and you start, getting paid faster, and no fees on overdraft. You go negative $200. So check out the link below for Octopus and Current. You guys are awesome. Talk to you soon. Bye now.